In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk upload users to Google Admin Console. If you manage a growing team or need to update many accounts at once, this process will save you a ton of time. You'll need admin access to your organization's Google Admin Console and a CSV file with your user details ready to go. Start by signing into the Admin Console. Once you're in, head to Directory, then open the Users section. This is where all of your user accounts live and where the bulk tools are located. Look for the Bulk Update Users option. This tool can create new users in bulk or update details for existing users, all from a single spreadsheet. Before you upload anything, download the Google-provided CSV so your file has the correct headers and format. You'll see two choices. If you're updating accounts you already have, choose the option to download user info in CSV. That pulls a current export you can edit. If you're creating brand new users, download the blank CSV template. Both templates include the exact column names the admin console expects, which helps prevent upload errors. Open the CSV in Google Sheets or Excel and add or edit your user information. Keep the header row exactly as it is. Fill in the required fields for each user in a new row. Make sure email addresses use your organization's domain correctly and that names are spelled as you want them to appear in profiles. If the template includes optional fields such as organizational unit path, add them only if you use them. Avoid extra spaces, merge cells, or additional columns. When you're done, save the file as a standard CSV. If you're using a spreadsheet app, choose CSV UTF-8 to preserve special characters. Return to the Users page and open the Bulk Update Users tool again. Choose the option to upload your CSV, then attach the file you just saved. Double-check you're selecting the correct most recent version. When you're ready, click Upload to begin processing. The admin console will process the file and apply the changes. If everything is formatted correctly, your users will be created or updated in a few moments. If there's an error, you'll get a message pointing to the specific row and column that needs fixing. Correct the issue in your CSV and re-upload the same file. That's it. You've learned how to bulk upload users efficiently and safely. After the upload, remember to communicate new account details to users securely and verify that any required policies, such as forcing a password change at first sign-in, are applied in your admin settings.